There are many products available to choose best desk chair for sciatica. Each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. I have done a lot of deep research, read so many reviews, and compiled a list of the best desk chair for sciatica from reputable brands to help you make a perfect decision. After so much research, I have found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sihu M18 Ergonomic Office Chair. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Sihu M18 Ergonomic Office Chair, a game changer for your workspace comfort. This versatile chair is designed for both home and office use, featuring 4-point support for your head, back, hips, and hands. What really stands out is its impressive adjustability from seat height to headrest positioning. The breathable mesh backrest keeps you cool during those long work sessions, and it can handle up to 330 pounds, thanks to its BIFMA certified build quality. Pros: excellent ergonomic features, quick 8-step assembly, breathable mesh design, lifetime warranty. Cons: height range limited to 5 feet 6 inches, 6 foot 2, basic design aesthetics. Bottom line, at this price point, the Sihu M18 delivers exceptional value, combining comfort, durability, and ergonomic support for your daily grind. Number 2. Felix King Office Chair Ergonomic Desk Chair. What's up, everyone? Today we're checking out the Felix King Ergonomic Office Chair, a surprisingly comfortable addition to any workspace. This chair stands out with its 5-point support system, covering everything from your head to your hips. The star feature is definitely its high-density sponge cushion. Trust me, it feels like sitting on a cloud. The breathable mesh back keeps you cool during those marathon work sessions, and the 30 recline hits just right when you need to lean back and think. Pros: cloud-like comfort with quality cushioning, space-saving flip-up arms, quick 15-minute assembly, FSC certified wood frame. Cons: limited color options, headrest may be too firm for some. Final verdict: for the price, this Felix King chair delivers exceptional comfort and practical features, making it a solid choice for your home office setup. Number 3. Sihu M102C Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair, High Back Desk Chair with 3D Armrests, Up-Down Lumbar Support. Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're reviewing the Sihu M102C Ergonomic Office Chair, and let me tell you, this one's a game changer for comfort seekers. The standout feature? Its incredibly versatile adjustability, from the 3D armrest to the unique up and down lumbar support system. What impressed me most is the premium mesh back with 2.36 inches of adjustable lumbar support, perfect for those long work sessions. The wide, cushioned seat supports up to 300 pounds and feels like sitting on a cloud. Pros: outstanding lumbar support, customization, space-saving flip-up armrests, premium breathable mesh design, generous 3-year warranty. Cons: assembly might take some time, premium features mean higher price point. Bottom line, the Sihu M102C is a solid investment for anyone serious about ergonomic comfort and durability in their workspace. Number 4. Marseille Ergonomic Office Chair, Office Computer Desk Chair with high back mesh and adjustable lumbar support. Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at the Marseille Ergonomic Office Chair, and I've got to say, this chair means business when it comes to customization. The standout feature is its remarkable adjustability, from the 2D headrest to the precision-engineered lumbar support that moves both vertically and horizontally. The thick 3.14-inch foam seat is a real game changer, supporting up to 300 pounds while keeping you comfy during those marathon work sessions. The breathable mesh back is a lifesaver for temperature control. Pros: impressive 90-120 recline range, ultra adjustable lumbar support, 3D armrests with flip-up function, generous 5-year warranty. Cons: some assembly required, premium price point. Verdict: if you're serious about ergonomics and customization, the Marseille chair is worth every penny. Number 5. Executive Office Chair Ergonomic Computer Desk Chair, High Back Leather Chair with padded flip-up arms. Hey there, office warriors! Today we're checking out Cullami's Executive Office Chair, and let me tell you, it's bringing luxury to the home office game. This isn't your average desk chair, it's wrapped in premium bonded leather that's both durable and easy on the skin. What really impressed me is the bionic spine design and triple layered headrest. It's like having a personal chiropractor. The double padded seat is wider than standard chairs, and those upgraded nylon casters roll like butter on any surface. Pros: premium bonded leather finish, silent rolling, upgraded wheels, space-saving flip-up armrest, supports up to 300 pounds. Cons: limited color options, leather requires maintenance. Verdict: for those wanting executive comfort without breaking the bank, this Cullami chair delivers serious value.
That's all from my end. I make and upload helpful videos daily. So, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative video like this. If you want to know more about these products or price, then do check out my description. For any kind of problem or information, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.